Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set best video and graphic settings in Counter-Strike 2. So begin by launching your Counter-Strike 2 and navigating to settings menu. From there, select video. Within your video settings, access your advanced video settings. These settings will have the biggest impact on your performance while in game. And make sure to reduce your shadow quality, model and texture quality, as well as your effect, details, and shader detail settings. This will reduce the stress on your graphics card. Feel free to increase your texture detail option if the game looks too wasted in your PC. Below, make sure to enable multi-core rendering. This is useful especially when you're using multi-core CPU and it reduces the stress on your processor. So disable the FXAA anti-aliasing option and reduce the texture filtering mode option. If you're experiencing screen tearing, then enable the vertical sync option, but this could also slightly reduce input lag, so set this option to your personal preference. Make sure to apply your changes and test your performance in a bot game. If you'd like to see your Counter-Strike 2 frame rate while in game, then head over to the game section of your settings and make sure to developer console option is enabled. Open it up using the tilde key and using the command CL show F PS1. Then this will toggle the frame rate counter and show it in your system. So if you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.